Hello everyone, welcome to this special session on how to migrate your ABAP objects to a transport request so that they can be shipped to the new system after the migration or upgrade. So you would have received this kind of an email today from Meenakshi regarding a planned upgrade or a system migration to a new system. Now, this version, don't go by this version. It could be something like 1809 to 1902, something of that sort. Now, right now, in this case, it's an upgrade which is going to happen to the new system, which is FPS01 for 1809 system. So what does it mean? It means all the objects which you have in your local objects or your own Z packages will be deleted from the system after the migration, and this current system will retire and will no more be available for our login. So what does it mean? If you would like to save your objects which you wish to deliver to the new system, there are two options for you. The option number one is you will inform us about your package name. So send us your package name information in the Z package which you have all your objects, and we will ship all your objects to the new system from your package or including the package itself. Or option number two is migrate your local object which is in the local $TMP to our package. Okay, so in this video I will show you how to migrate your own $TMP object to our package, and then also log them in a transport request which is planning to get delivered to the new system. All right, so let's have a look at the second approach. So a first approach, very straightforward. Just let us know your package name, send them across via the email. And option number two is how to migrate your objects to the correct transport request. We are going to demo that. Okay, please complete this activity latest by end of tomorrow, because after which we can anytime make a plan to migrate to the new system. The system will be again open for a pre-check for all of you, and we will definitely accordingly plan the support for this accordingly. But the current system will retire permanently, so anything which you want to save, please do that activity. Otherwise it will be lost. Or if you don't think that you want to save any of your developments or objects, it's fine, you can ignore this email completely. As usual, please follow Hollywood principles. Do not call us. We will call you once the activity is complete. So don't shooting up so many emails, because we have, I think, 150 plus current users who are using this. If everybody starts shooting an email, it's going to become a very tough situation. And in middle of migration, we will not be able to help you out with anything. All right, so let's get into the system. I've logged in the system with some user. So let's see this user. It's mob31. I've logged in already, and I will just go to the mob31's local object. Now, before you go to the local object, you have to go to SE01 transaction code. And in SE01 here, you have to first add your task to this transport request. So Anubhav, Meenakshi has already sent you the transport request number. I have already taken it up here. I'll just copy that and go to display. In SE01, enter the transport request, click on display, and you see this is the transport request. I would first like to add a task over here. So right click on the request, say add user, and you can see it's already picking up current user mob31. Say okay, task has been added successfully. Point one, this is done. Be careful with this activity. You got to do it very slowly. All right, so your task is now there in the transport. Now go to SE80 transaction, where your local objects are placed, and you can select all of them at one shot. Maybe I just have right now one. I'm going to right click on this object and say additional function, change package assignment, and then let's give the package name. Okay, Z of T pack, just give that, click on OK. System pops you up for a transport request, and also now as usual you got to go and show this guy the same transport request in which the object is locked. Or if you don't want to even do that, it's okay, you can create your own transport request here. Just give some name, my objects to be delivered to new system, something of that sort you can say, and just say okay. Select your transport and say okay. So that's one approach. Of course, you can also move the object to my transport, doesn't matter. So this is how you guys have to do that activity. See, the object is gone, and it would have gone now into the package ZOFT pack. Let me just show you that. and here is where the object would now exist. So all the objects of this package are going to go into the target system. New system will be available. Now again, I would repeat, option number one is still there for you. If you just have your own package created in which you have all your objects, you don't have to do anything. Just send me your package name. Just send me your Z package name, guys, nothing else. Okay, just send me your Z package name, nothing else. That's all you have to do. But those who have their objects in $TMP and want to move to the new system, you have to perform this activity. All right, so don't hesitate, don't panic, just follow the instructions as I've given here, and accordingly do let us know your package name, or please include the object into the ZOFT pack, and that's it. Any transport you can lock it, doesn't matter, not necessarily be this transport, but yes, if you lock in this transport, okay. But like I showed you, you can also create your own transport and put the object there. Okay, that's completely fine. I think this is not a workbench request. Let me just quickly change. So you don't have to do all these things. Okay, so let me just quickly. So you have to select your task also, and you see it's currently unclassified, so just select your task, and then you have to say change type and make it as a development or correction. Click on OK, and now I think it will show up when you move any object to the package. It will show you this. Okay, so maybe just quickly try this. So go to ACAT. So please do change that also. Okay, and now maybe I just want to create with my user itself a new object in this package, a simple program, zmob31 demo. You would see that transport request would come up. Click on save, and now see package is this, which is good, and I think it should now display the TR. No, it's not showing. It's okay, fine, anyways, not an issue. You guys can go ahead and accordingly create it, and in any transport you can put, but mandatory is that the object should come into ZOFT pack. That's the mandatory thing. This is so important. The transport request is not important, but this is important, that you move your object to ZOFT pack. If possible, this transport request, otherwise it's okay, no problem. You can use your own TR, but make sure the object comes to this package. Okay, or if you have your own package, do let me know your package name and we will include that also in the system. Thank you so much once again, and see you after the migration.